Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing Portainer and Komodo and see if which platform leads container management in 2025. So first, let's start with the Portainer. So Portainer, it has its key features. It is user-friendly GUI for Docker, Kubernetes, and Nomad, multi-cluster management, role-based access control, and lastly is the API integrations in registry management. For the pros is it is extremely flexible and powerful. It can automate nearly anything in Windows. It also supports logic, variables, and app control. Lastly is it has massive online script, library, and support. Now for the cons is it is limited customization in the free version, advanced features locked behind Business Edition, and UI may lag with large clusters. Now let's move forward with the Komodo. So Komodo, it has all-in-one container security and visibility platform, policy-driven Kubernetes management. It has AI-powered anomaly detection and real-time observability and compliance tools. Now for the pros is it is built with security first architecture. It has strong focus on compliance and auditing, also have real-time insights and risk detection. And lastly, is it is ideal for large enterprise-grade environments. Now, for the cons, is it has higher learning curve for new users, and it may be overkill for some small teams and not as beginner-friendly as the Portainer. Now, for the quick summary, you can use Portainer if you want a clean GUI to manage containers without writing CLA commands. So you can use Portainer if you're working in a smaller teams or labs, and if you need basic monitoring and control for Docker and K8s. And lastly, if you are focused on ease and speed of use. Now, you can also use Komodo if you're managing large scale or regulated environments, if you need real time container security and threat detection, if you work in DevSecOps or compliance heavy teams, and lastly, if you're focused on observability and anomaly detection. So that's it for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!